Great news! We have just launched our virtual live training programs, and they've been designed to maximize engagement during the live sessions, just as we normally do in our classroom live workshops. These are not webinars. In our classroom sessions, small teams learn together through activities like value stream mapping, problem solving, brainstorming, and other exciting team activities. With the social distancing restrictions in place, we have replicated this experience through the use of breakout rooms online. During our live sessions, 75% or more of the time is spent working in groups and presenting the work to the larger group. Utilizing templates and tools we provide to the participants work in breakout rooms to create value stream maps, tackle case studies, brainstorm waste, brainstorm problem statements, and much, much more. The same collaboration takes place virtually. But how do students learn the basic concepts? Great question. They have access to our self-paced learning system, where they watch brief videos at their convenience in preparation for the live sessions. If you have a small or large group to be trained, or simply want training for yourself, read more about our courses and contact us at www.emsstrategies.com.